I used to be notoriously bad at baking until I found these easy, simple baking recipes. Hello and welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. In a bowl, cream, softened butter, and sugar. Please make sure that your oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Once the butter is creamy like this, gradually add the room temperature eggs and mix. You may use a wooden spoon or use a hand blender. If you are new to this channel or you are a regular visitor, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Add the vanilla extract or the essence and mix. In another bowl, in the flour, the baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Use a fork or a whisk to mix well. Add the creamed butter ingredients and mix. You may use a wooden spoon to mix or a spatula and not a machine to avoid over mixing. Gradually add the warm milk, not hot, warm, and continue mixing. Hi ke bantase esivuke emaminithini, I decided to add the desiccated coconut. That's optional, or leave them plain. They are still delicious without these additions. What is your favorite flavor? Please write in the comment section below. To support the channel, please press the like button. As we usually do when mixing, scrape the sides of the bowl. Grease the muffin pan with butter. Be generous with the greasing. Dip a spoon in lukewarm water to avoid the batter sticking to it and to avoid shocking the batter. Then fill the pan. Bake between 15 to 20 minutes. Then, using a toothpick, test if they are not wet. If they are dry, cool them for 10 minutes before taking them out of the pan. Let me tell you something. They were soft, lush, fluffy, and satisfying. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.